how to add MX records to Crazy Domains products. Whether you want to add MX records for your domain name, your web hosting, or different products that you have, the process basically is the same. All you need to do is find the DNS settings. So I'll show you a couple of examples. Let's imagine it's a domain. Let's press manage. Here DNS settings, add record, choose MX record. These details should be given to you by your email provider. Okay, so I can't tell you what to put here. Whether it's the priority, the host name, and so on, okay? So that's one way to add MX record to the domain name itself. And then you simply save changes. So for this example, let's just use this. When we save changes, we can always edit or even delete the MX record. So I'll show you the popular cPanel option for web hosting. Simply press manage and go to control panel, then locate cPanel. Here the zone editor, you can add CNAME record, MX record here, or I'll show you more detailed version. We can press on manage, select add MX record, valid zone name, integer is our priority, let's just say 20. Yeah. Fully qualified domain name, usually, let's imagine this scenario. Let's grab this. For Google Workspace, let's imagine that's the case. We can add that. Valid zone name. Okay, let's just paste that in this scenario, in this example. Okay, priority, let's set it to 1. And then now let's say record. Let's see what happens when we do that. Because this is just an example. I'm stuffing things up if I forget to delete it. So basically what we've said, you know what? For this domain, mail exchange should be sent to this server, as into this domain, so you can route it. We can always edit or delete the MX record. As I've said, it doesn't matter what Crazy Domains product that you want to add MX records to and for what reason. The details that you will need to add should be in front of you. And then you simply find the DNS settings whereby you can add MX record, whether it's for Microsoft Mail Exchange, whether it's for Google Workspace, or different scenarios. This is how you add MX records using Crazy Domains products. Definitely check out Rankia YouTube channel for more tutorials related to Crazy Domains products. Also, if you're thinking of purchasing any additional products from Crazy Domains, then check out Rankia blog to get additional discounts. One way or another, I am wishing your online journey greatest possible success.